without a name. 500 years of wind still standing in the rain. Egidia Blair laid down her bones in 1530. Her tomb still rests in Crossraguel's holy ground. The land she held on lease from those black monks of Carrick was seized by darker hands without a sound. Gilbert Kennedy burned a man at Dunure Castle, till Allan Stewart signed the Carrick lands away. And on those grounds in 1584 they built it, a tower house standing proud to this day. Walls without a roof, bones without a name, 500 years of wind still standing in the rain. Above the door, carved stone, the name of the Lord stands tall. The righteous runneth home, the righteous runneth home.